When considering Primavera P6 for your construction management needs, there are a few key points you need to know before making a decision. In this video, we'll cover the most important factors to help you figure out if it's the right tool for your business, especially when comparing it to other options out there. So, let's dive in. First, Primavera P6 is a powerful project management software used by construction professionals, but it's not always the easiest to use, especially for beginners. The interface is quite complex, and while it's packed with features, you'll need a bit of a learning curve to really get the most out of it. Unlike more user-friendly software like Buildertrend, which is simpler for entry-level users, Primavera P6 is better suited for larger, more complex projects with specialized teams. Next thing to keep in mind is its cost. Primavera P6 can be pretty expensive, especially for smaller companies or teams. The pricing structure varies, but it's generally more expensive than alternatives like Procore or Microsoft Project. This is something you should definitely consider if you're working within a budget, because while it offers a lot of features, you may not need all of them, depending on the size of your project or company. The third thing is scalability. Primavera P6 is excellent for large, multifaceted projects, making it ideal for big construction firms handling complex builds with multiple stakeholders. If you're just managing small residential builds, you might find it overkill. Competitors like Smartsheet offer more flexible, scalable options that are more suited for a wider range of project sizes. The fourth thing to note is its robust scheduling features. Primavera P6 shines here, especially with Gantt chart functionality, resource management, and critical path analysis. If scheduling is the backbone of your project, Primavera P6 is hard to beat, but keep in mind, its complexity can be a drawback, as simpler tools like Monday. COM or Asana could do the job with less training and hassle. The fifth point is its integration capabilities. Primavera P6 can integrate with many other tools, but it requires technical know-how. For smaller teams, this might be more effort than it's worth, especially when compared to tools like Procore, which offer easier, more out-of-the-box integrations with software like QuickBooks and Microsoft Office. Next thing is its reporting and analytics. Primavera P6 offers in-depth reporting, but the reports can be difficult to customize without technical expertise. If you're not comfortable with advanced data analysis, you might find it limiting compared to simpler tools like ClickUp, which make it easier to generate basic, actionable insights. The seventh point is collaboration. Primavera P6 allows for team collaboration, but its user interface isn't as intuitive as other tools like Procore or Buildertrend. These competitors are built with collaboration in mind and are often preferred by teams that need to work closely together in real time. The eighth thing is cloud support. While Primavera P6 does offer a cloud-based version, it's not as seamless as some other platforms. If cloud accessibility is crucial for you, you might find that tools like Buildertrend or Procore offer a smoother cloud experience, especially for teams on the go. The ninth point is security. Primavera P6 is known for its enterprise-grade security, which makes it an excellent option for larger firms with sensitive project data. However, if your business is smaller and doesn't need such high-level protection, other software like Monday.com may offer sufficient security at a lower cost. Next, we look at customer support. Primavera P6 offers solid customer service, but you may need to rely more heavily on their technical support team because of the software's complexity. In contrast, competitors like Procore provide excellent customer service with a focus on construction-specific needs, which can make a big difference when you need quick help. The 11th point is mobile access. Primavera P6 does have mobile capabilities, but they're not as extensive or as user-friendly as some of its competitors, such as Procore or Buildertrend. If you need a robust mobile app for managing projects in the field, you may want to explore other options that offer more intuitive mobile experiences. Lastly, Primavera P6 is a great tool for large, established companies with the resources to fully leverage its capabilities. But for smaller firms, you might find alternatives like Smartsheet or Buildertrend more cost-effective and user-friendly, without sacrificing key features. In conclusion, Primavera P6 is a solid choice if you're